Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to tell if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Now I'm going to demonstrate it to you by using two accounts. Now go to your search. Now I'm going to type a message to my other account. Now I'm going to send some message to show you how it works. I'm going to my profile and into settings to log out of my account. Now I'm opening the account to which I sent the messages to. I'm going to the chat in this ID. Now I'm going to block my other ID from which I sent the message to. I have blocked my other ID now. We are going to go to the previous ID to see. Now when I will open my ID, I will search for this friend again, but I won't be able to find him. That's how you figure out if someone blocked you on Snapchat. You can see it for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.